Testing alkalinity, pH, and chlorine for the pool really isn't that hard. All you have to do is fill this up to the lines. So you dip it in the pool and then you face it and kind of tap it out until it gets down to the line that you want on each side. So you grasp it with the other side while you're tapping and it won't eliminate the water on the opposite side. So get it as close as you can to the line, and then you take, and this little thing has the directions on it if you need to remember visually, but you'll take reagent number 14 and it's going to go in the pH side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of that. And then the yellow lid for the left yellow side, the reagent 600 for the chlorine. And just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the lid back on, make sure that doesn't touch the water. Put the reagent lid on, shake it down, shake it up. And our pH is really high and our chlorine is really low, so that leaves problems if it's not attended to. So we're going to add some chlorine and some pH down. Yeah, it's definitely above an 8 and I'm going to say a 0 on the chlorine. And then alkalinity is next. So this little trick on this one is if you take it, fill it all the way up and then tilt it, so when the bubble hits the bottom, it's like exact. Now this is the chemistry one. So it takes 3 different chemicals for this. You will start with the lowest number of 7, and you're going to do 2 drops. 1, 2. You can put 7 back, and then 8. You'll have 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to stir it up, kind of like a little shake, waggle, stir. And then you're going to drop number 9 in, 1 drop at a time, and count your drops. And kind of stir it while you drop it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. As I'm getting closer, I stop. 24 makes it kind of a little pink, so the next 25 makes it totally pink. And that's what you want to get to, is the pink level. So 2500 is pretty high, so I'm going to add baking soda. And that's pretty much it. I write down my chemicals, and so if the alkalinity is really high, and high is above a, let's say, a 200, actually it's probably 180, 160, but I'm going to add baking soda. And if the chlorine is low, you are going to add chlorine. And if the pH is high, you will add pH down. All right, any questions? You can always ask.